might get a kick out of this. I broke my gear stick off. Doesn't hurt to carry a spare, does it? I don't know if y'all heard all that or not, but I broke my shifter knob off when I went to grab second gear a while ago, when I had installed that Hurst one up here kind of as a grab handle is what I was thinking, but I had to stick it back on here to shift it to get it in the garage. I couldn't shift it with that little short thing on. So I guess that's something else I could do today, is work on achieving a better shift handle. Break it off. That was a fun ride though. That was up to the top of Clary Hill. There's a big blueberry field up on top of the hill there, and you can see all the way to the coast and in all sorts of directions from there. Pretty nice spot. Back in the old days, we used to get out and go along all up in there a lot, just to be out in the nature and stuff. Don't do it quite so much anymore. Some people that grow blueberry crops up there, they don't really want people coming to visit all that much, so we kind of quit doing that. Well, let's see what else I can find. I can make me a shifter knob out of here. Oh, the joy.